Port Qasim is located 50 kilometers from Karachi on the coastline of the Arabian Sea. The approach to Port Qasim is along a 45-kilometer-long navigation channel from the Arabian Sea, which provides safe and convenient navigation for vessels. It is the country's second busiest port, handling approximately 40% of the national cargo, which was 25 million tons in the year 2009. The port encompasses a total area of 12,000 acres, in which around 80% of Pakistan's automotive industry is located. The port also provides direct waterfront access to two major nearby industrial areas, Export Processing Zone Landi and Korangi Industrial Area. Pakistan's growing industry requires viable and cost-effective fuel sources for power generation. Demand for coal is steadily increasing due to the adoption of coal firing system in the cement manufacturing process. Coal consumption and export of cement and clinker has been rising steadily in the last 5 years. In 2009, the country imported 4.6 million tons of coal and exported over 11 million tons of cement and clinker. In 2005, the cement and clinker exports were only 1.5 million tons. In spite of these growing cargo handling requirements, there is no dedicated dirty bulk handling terminal in Pakistan to handle such cargoes. Now, to meet the industry's demand for mechanized handling of dirty bulk cargo, Pakistan International Container Terminal, PICT, plans to set up the country's first terminal for handling coal, clinker, and cement. The coal, clinker, and cement terminal will be established by the name of Pakistan International Bulk Terminal, PIBT. Located at Port Qasim and set up on a 30-year build, own, operate, and transfer concession from the Port Qasim Authority, PIBT will be located at a distance of 15 kilometers from the national highway, thus having direct access to the hinterland. It would also be connected to the national railway network at Port Qasim. In a two-phase development, PIBT will build capacity for handling up to 4 million tons per annum of coal, cement, and clinker in Phase 1 development. Handling capacity of an additional 4 million tons will be developed in Phase 2. At the end of Phase 2, the terminal handling capacity will be 8 million tons per annum, which can further be enhanced to 12 million tons per annum in the future. Total development cost of Phase 1 and 2 is estimated to be $130 million. The storage area is on reclaimed land, spread over 25 hectares, or 62 acres. There will be 9 cement silos of 6,000 tons capacity each, located at the western side of the storage area. Cement silos trucks will interface to discharge cement directly to the silos for onward pumping through the cement conveyor, and onto the vessels for export of cement. The terminal development comprises of building a jetty of 460 meters in length for simultaneously operating 2 vessels of up to 75,000 deadweight tons. The jetty will have 2 coal ship unloading cranes and 1 cement and clinker ship loading crane. The jetty is connected to the storage area by a trestle bridge spanning almost 2.5 kilometers in length. The trestle will have 2 covered conveyors, one for coal imports and the other for cement exports. The trestle will have the capacity to add 1 more conveyor for enhanced handling in the future. Trestle piles are designed to support an access bridge for maintenance, firefighting, and other services. Storage area will have capacity to store about 600,000 tons of coal at any given time, stacked in heaps of about 15 meters height. 2 stackers will run in between the coal piles to stack coal from being discharged from the ship and fed through the conveyor. Dust suppression water sprinklers will be located in the coal piles to contain coal dust. The terminal will also have the capacity to stack 350,000 tons of clinker at any given time. The Pakistan International Bulk Terminal would also be the first and only dirty cargo terminal in Pakistan with state-of-the-art mechanized handling of cargo on international standards of efficiency. It will also be the first handling facility to comply with international standards of environmental pollution control and ensure a pollution-free environment at Port Qasim.